Devin Rose here, Lionheart Catholic. This is an amazing passage from Bishop Schneider's Christus Vincit book. And he says, I think that with the tremendous and almost unprecedented interior crisis in the Church we are witnessing today, the hour of the laity has arrived. They also feel responsible for the conservation and defense of the faith. The true intention and teaching of the Second Vatican Council on the laity is being realized now, in our days more clearly, in many meritorious and courageous lay initiatives for the defense of the Catholic faith. We have arrived at a grotesque situation in which the sheep are beginning to unmask the infiltrating wolves in sheep's clothing, that is, the unbelieving apostate and debauched cardinals, bishops, and priests. Many meritorious and courageous lay initiatives. And that's exactly what Lionheart Catholic is. It's simply a lay initiative to defend the Catholic faith and promulgate the teachings of the faith. It's not anything beyond that. So we start with ourselves, renouncing sin, practicing mental prayer, and the other ingredients in the recipe of the saints. And hearing from Bishop Schneider affirms what that mission is. That's why I'm excited about Bishop Schneider and Cardinal Robert Serra. These prelates, right, these bishops are the patrons of this time. They are the new Athanasius, contra mundum and contra parts of the church, right? They're standing up. And there's a few other courageous bishops. So that's what we're about with Lionheart Catholic. If you want to see it, how you measure up, I've got a quiz right here. You can take the Lionheart Catholic quiz to find out whether you already are one or have a ways to go. God bless.